Hey friends, I just got the new Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead. This is such an amazing subscription, and you won't find beads like this anywhere else. Are you ready to see what's in the latest bead box? Let's jump in.
This month's theme is Easter wishes. In every box, you're greeted with a postcard that shows the inspiration for the box and a story on the back that will inspire your work. Every month I get so excited to open my Curiosities box and discover what's inside. It's always wonderful, and John Bead, as you can see, is extremely generous. Our first organza bag has round, flat, dimpled 18mm beads in raspberry mixed with 13mm matte rounds, glass bricks, and flat pressed squares in light pink and red. This huge pillow box has colorful acrylic hearts and random plastic rounds. Here's a strand of candy beads from the Super Cute collection. In this green bag, an assortment of amber, pink, and silver crystals. This cute little pillow box has Easter bunnies, a beautiful purple crystal bracelet, and ladhaki tube beads with flowers in moss green. This is my favorite bag because it has huge 24mm fancy glass dotted lampwork ovals that look like eggs, 12mm green beads, and beautiful milky white and gold glass press beads. 3 tubes of clear crystal-shaped beads in peach, purple, and cobalt. In the spirit of Easter, here are acrylic 19mm nuggets and pony beads in beautiful Easter colors. Glass-pressed butterflies, perfect for spring, mixed with a fancy oval with a rose motif, opaque check seed beads, and check rolla beads. This tube mix has green glass beads mixed with tons of milky rounds in delicious colors. You can wear this or give this check pearl and chain necklace to someone special. This little Ziploc has clasps, colorful ball chains, and acrylic drops. I love the colors of these 10-pound hemp cords, perfect for macrame bracelets or wrapping around an Easter gift. I really appreciate that John Bead includes needles, and of course they always have the collector pin and sticker each month. Happy Easter!
I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.